Hello, I'm Andrew Valdez, and I'm going to show you a new jig that I've got set up for you. I've done a couple of cable rail systems in the past, and this is the best way and fastest way I know how to do it. What I'll do is cut for 36-inch rail, handrail. I'll go ahead and cut a piece of plywood 35 inches and put a 34-inch cleat on the back side to give me an offset. This way I'll measure 1 3/4 inches from the cleat to the center. That'll give me a center line for a 4x4 post of 1 3/4 inches all the way through. Then I'll take off the plywood, I'll measure 3.5 inches per center on each hole, and at 3.5 inches will get me to the end of the 35. That would be good for nine cables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cables on a 36-inch handrail. Then you get 1.5 inches, 2x4 above, and then you get your top plate on top of that. That brings you up to about 37 inches, somewhere around there. But this can be used for a right and left hand, either this way or this way. And using a punch, going through the 1-inch center holes that I've got here, will work. I'm giving you center holes for each of your cables. I'll just give you a quick demonstration on the right and left hand side of the post. We'll start off on this one. There's your jig, set it up, there's the hole, punch, 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 punch. Your 9 holes are set. Turn it over, come to the other side. It's got your 1 3/4 back set. Punch, 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 punch. 9 holes are on this side. Now you know that those holes are in line with each other on both sides of the post. Come to the end. You've got your end post, same thing. Punch, 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 punch. Turn it over. Punch, 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 punch. Now the second advantage of this, be it this is 35 inches, you can go ahead and use this as your scribe for your post. Go ahead and stick that there, make it across. That's the height of your post. You do that all the way through, and all your posts are the same elevation right off of your deck. Here I've got the, cable rail system that I'm using. It's a Freedy, it's a 30-foot section. It comes with 30 feet of cable plus a 7.5-inch rod. It's got your bullet end for the cable end. Got the nut to tighten it up with, and 2 washers. I'm not going to demonstrate putting in the cable rail. That'll be pretty self-sufficient. But what I found is on the cables the rod's a 1/4 inch rod. Drill a 5/16 hole, and that way you'll be able to get that through. And then if you ever have to pull your cables out, the wood's going to shrink around your cable, and it will shrink inside, so it's going to make this hole a little bit, if you go a 1/4 inch, it's going to make it too tight to pull this through without a lot of force. So 5/16 will be able to pull this out later. And this is a 3/8 bullet on the far end that your cable's going to go into and lock. So make that a 3/8 inch hole on your bullet end. And that's pretty much it. You should be ready to go in about maybe 20 minutes to start drilling. Get your holes all drilled and everything. Run your cable and have the thing done in about an hour, maybe a little hour and a half. Okay, well, you guys take care. Hope you have a great day. Hope this is helpful. And keep an eye on my website, my YouTubes for more stuff like door hardware templates and door closure templates and such. Okay, you guys take care. Have a good day.